Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my video first time, my name is Meena Dhesi and today tutorial about the how to do tinting eyebrow at home professionally and safely. So guys, I'm going to tell you step by step how to do it. So without delay or time, let's begin. Before I start the treatment, I will explain about the safety. It is very important to do patch test carry out at least 48 hours before apply the tint. Apply a small amount of the tint behind the ear or wrist. During the patch test, any appearance such as itching, redness, swelling, irritation or burning, immediately clean off the test area. If you got allergic, do not apply further the tint. Tinting chemicals could damage more your eyebrow and around the skin. If you are fine, go ahead. But please, before apply the tinting, must read very carefully company and kit contains product details. Follow step by step instructions. Before apply the tint, make sure your eyebrow is clean. So guys, you can see I haven't got thick or any guideline of hairs. Got very light hair, even you can't see hair properly. So when I apply the tint, I have to very careful. I could be applied thick or thin. So I will be looking messy eyebrow after apply the tint. For perfect eyebrow shape, I need to draw first guideline eyebrow shape. So for that, I'm using eyebrow pencil and I'm going to start draw slightly from the middle of the eye, slightly first and slowly draw the line according to your eyebrow face and shape. Again, put your finger where exactly start to apply the tint. If you are not sure, you can draw the line. Once draw, trim the front eyebrow hair, make equally. Then pluck off extra hair. Normally pluck hair after tint the eyebrow, but I like before because I want to give my eyebrow perfect guideline. Tint I'm using from Allison Beauty, black color, according to my skin and my hair color. You can use brown or black or brown mix. Same company, Allison Beauty, I'm using Oxidine 3%. For mixer, you can use any kind of small plastic or glass container. Then taking black color of tint, a small amount of 5 drops of Oxidine, then mix properly. So guys, must remember that tint shouldn't be mixed until ready to apply according to manufacturer instructions. For application, use any kind of a small flat brush, then start to apply from back to eyebrow slowly and neatly. If it's over applied, then you can use Q-tip for the clean. You can apply thick but leave the front eyebrow area. Apply there very less amount. It's going to apply upward. So I like really dark results, so you can leave 3 to 10 minutes, then clean. If you think you didn't get result that good, you can reapply second time. I'm cleaning after 10 minutes using damp cotton pads. So guys, look at that. I'm very happy with the results. It looks very nice, looks natural. Finally, for more safe and clean look, apply concealer for the clean. This is final result. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching my video. If yes, please don't forget to subscribe, likes, comments and share the video. Thank you very much. See you soon. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye.